Hi, it's Clipper Rail here with a look at the Hornby Scotrail Inter7City HST, both the Power Car set, which is R3698, which we've got here, but also the new Mk3 Sliding Door coaches, which just arrived a couple of days ago. So in real life, the HST sets run as either 6 vehicle or 7 vehicle units. I have quite a small layout, which is being built at the moment of Hamilton Central Station, so I'm going to be running a 6 vehicle set, which will be the 2 power cars plus 4 of the coaches. All the vehicles, the coaches, the power cars, beautiful livery application, some tiny little details, the door buttons, things like that, disc brakes on the wheels. The finish as well is almost gloss, and it really works for the whole set. It looks beautiful when it's running around the layout, and we'll take some running shots of it shortly once we've had a chance to look in detail at each of the vehicles. So the layout itself is being built, and it's of Hamilton Central. We've really just got the station done so far, so there's going to be a lot of quite tight cropped in shots because there's really not much beyond the station building, but hopefully we'll be able to enjoy seeing the set running around the layout, and you can see for yourselves just how great these coaches look when they're running. Some of the detailing on it really is exquisite. They've applied it and it just looks almost three-dimensional, the tiny little buttons at the door and things like that. So let's enjoy some running sessions now. Just for a little bit of interest, I thought we'd have a look at one of the original Mark IIIs from the 1980 set, the HST set that Hornby had. It was the first train set that I ever had, got it in 1980, and saving up with a bit of pocket money, I managed to afford to buy a buffet car for it as well, to run a 5 vehicle rake, and don't know if you can see the price on there, £4.75 back in 1981.